Okay, a couple of you guys wanted more video on my V-dub project. Turn the TV down here. Just watching video or movie as I'm working here. But here it is. In sad shape, but I'm getting there. We're getting little pieces done. Well, new panel in there and on the other side. Right there. Right now, well, I did put the braces in, but even before I took the car off the frame, the doors didn't line up because the heater channels are rotten at the back part behind the doors, and so of course they won't line up. So now I'm about to use my cherry picker to pick up the car and reposition it and try and get the holes to line up for the doors. But here's the frame. I've gotten quite a bit done since the last video. We've got the motor here. Got another engine sitting there. And a couple more motors here. They all run. But that's about it for now, I guess. Well, I did the floor pans, painted everything, polished everything up kind of thing. Still got boots to put on the rear axles. Still got to do the brakes. I'm not sure what I want to do at the front end yet, if I'm going to chop these off, make my own. I still want to get a set of adjusters, drop that front end. I want this to sit low. We got bins and bins of parts everywhere. All these are V-dub, and underneath the workbench, all V-dub, and in the workbench, and up on the workbench, and parts everywhere. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to try and line up these holes for the doors and see if I can make these doors fit. And then I'll re-weld the crossers in where I had started. And you can see where I put one in there and put one down in here. But I just cut this off here now so I can pick up the car and reposition it at different points. Try right about here somewhere, that way the weight of the back of the car will come down and hopefully the door will line up better. And once that's lined up, then I'll re-weld everything and I'll put crossers from here down and side to side. Yeah, lots of work. You can see in here where I picked some of this up here, just made some pieces myself. But, I'll make another video when of the car running, I guess. Actually, I can probably do that right now. I'll grab a battery here. Turn that the other way around to fit better. Positive. Okay. I need my little fuel can. And my little starter. Pretty easy to start, not much to it. One bolt or one line to the coil and to the battery. Pick that off of there. fall. Okay, I'll put you down there for a second. That one there. Okay. I'll give her a little bit of gas here. Better shut that off before I choke myself to death in here. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll reposition the bug and hopefully the doors will straighten out and line up. All right, good for now.